This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a Chevrolet Equinox. This happens to be a 2006 model. And what we're doing today is we are removing the computer. This is the computer right here mounted on top of the battery. First thing we got to do is unclick the computer from the top of the battery, remove it, then remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Then we can disconnect our electrical connectors from the computer. Alright, we got some little clips to hold it in here. And she is out. Okay, so now we're gonna rest that out of the way over here. Right there. She's out of the way. Now we can remove our cover to our battery box. There is a retainer right here, one right here, and one right here. So once you remove those retainers, you can remove the cover to the battery. And once you do that, we need to remove our negative battery cable from the battery. And once we do that, we can safely disconnect our computer. So let's disconnect the computer now. Now, before we can remove our electrical connections, we have to remove the computer from this plastic holder it's in. There's a couple little pieces right here on both sides, and if we push those down, we can slide it back. And of course it likes to catch on the back side. Right there. Okay. That should do it. There we go. Get that out of the way. Now, you've seen these before. These little bail types. Slide that back. Sometimes you'll get some dirt underneath there, and it doesn't want to come out like this one. Come on, you can do it. There we go. A 1. Come on. Boy. Freaking dirt. See all that dirt in there? If this was new, they'd just fly off there. Boy, had the bale all the way there, over. I guess you catch a lot of dirt when you're in the front of the engine like that. There's your computer. Oh, look at that. Dirt. Yeah, there's your computer. All right. So that's all there is to removing a computer from your Chevrolet Equinox.